So, how to generate profitable offer ideas? Ideas are the bread and butter of the company. A great idea will skyrocket a company quickly to seven figures, more quickly than you can imagine. And your offer to your consumers will keep the business engine running. The five most innovative companies in the world, as reported by Forbes, are Amazon, Google, Uber, Apple, and Snap. These companies are valued in the hundreds of billions and transact hundreds of millions a day. But how do these companies start? Well, with an idea. Apple was started by Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs in a garage on a vision to have a computer for the rest of us. Back then, having a computer was nearly impossible. It wasn't commonly thought of by consumers because the cost was high and the size and form factor were not convenient. But today, because Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs didn't stop pursuing their vision, Apple is valued at close to $1 trillion. Meanwhile, the famous search engine, Google, was also crafted based on Larry Page's idea of exploring mathematical properties of the World Wide Web, understanding its link structure, and creating it in a huge graph. Google was then officially established in 1998. This goes to show that generating that drop-dead idea that's going to start the world on fire is possible, as projected by these innovative companies. When you see something that piques your interest, ask yourself this: what is it about this situation that's special? Then narrow down your focus so you familiarize yourself with the idea. However, before generating your ideas, there are certain steps to be taken into consideration to ensure that your thought processes are in line with the outcome that you want to achieve. These tactics will ensure the effectiveness of generating your profitable offer ideas, which will be discussed in the next module.